Systems for Dentists have now introduced a new Quick Doc function. From a patient, create a new document, and in that new document you will see a yellow Quick function. By clicking on the Quick function, you will open up a list of your own pre-configured Quick paragraphs, Quick images, whatever you have created earlier. In this case, we have them under various folder structures, and we can select what we want to add. Let's give information on bridges, double click, and it will be added. If that's all I want, I may decide I'm going to even add my own signature. So going to the signature area, and we can simply double click to add. The document can now be saved, printed, emailed as normal. Should you wish to update a Quick Doc or create a new Quick Doc, simply go to the tooth, Setup, and Quick Doc. From here, you can easily add text, add some more text, insert images. When you do insert an image, if you right click and go to text wrapping and select inline, it will help the presentation when that is included in the document. And add more text should you wish. Once complete, you have the Save button or the Save As button. Under Save As, you can even create new directories, which will help you to sort your Quick documents. Once you're ready to save the document, enter the name required and select OK. Once your Quick Doc is created, you can simply return to a document and you can insert your new Quick Doc. Thank you for watching this SFD video. We have more videos available. We also have frequently asked questions, but always remember you can ring our helpline and we will give you assistance there and then.